Today we have new tools at Harbor Freight. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers the platform, by subscribing and likes. Big shout out to my man Josh for helping out the channel with the Harbor Freight stuff, keeping to date about the new tools, the new deals that are coming up. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. We're here at the Harbor Freight new tools. Let's click on it. I was at the deals, not the new tools. Okay, I guess we're at the new tools. Alright, so you got Bauer 40 volts or 40, not 40 volt, 40 feet self-leveling cross-line laser, $59.99. I never used a laser like this before. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys used any of these lasers. If you got, how do you like them, or what are you looking for in a laser? I know for a fact that a lot of people like the green light, not the red. So let us know down in the comment section what do you guys prefer. Let's see here, what else. Alright, so that was $59.99. We got the self-lit 3-dot laser level. This is 100 feet, $69.99. This is, what color is this one? Then this one's, yeah, this one's red. Looks like it's red too, I guess. You got a 1000 lumen LED work light from Luminar Work, $17.99. Back in stock soon. It says like it's out of stock. So it is corded, so you can plug it in. Alright, the next one down, you got the tripod. It's a laser tripod. Laser level tripod here, $29.99. See the entire Bauer product. So these are compatible with those Bauer. And then this is a 5000 lumen or 500 lumen rechargeable headlamp, $22.99. This is nice actually. It's 500 lumen, lightweight, durable headlamp where you need it. Guess you can wear it with your hard hat. Cause I went to Harbor Freight and I did see something like this, but I didn't see this one actually. This one might be a newer one. So it looks really nice. If it's rechargeable. Alright, you got the Merlin. Yeah, guys, if you guys go to Harbor Freight, pick out all your fittings and stuff like that for your air hoses and stuff, your connectors. Make sure you guys go with Merlin. Merlin's a great brand at Harbor Freight. Do not go to the other brand, the Central Pneumatic. That's just not, just don't do that. So you want something nice. 3/8 MPT air filter with regulator, $49.99. Like I said, good brand, Merlin. Here's another one, 3/8 NPT F regulator, $29.99. Then you got some Quinn pliers. Yeah, Quinn is really nice. I would say DIY pliers. These are great. I would say, yeah, DIY basically. Even professionals could use a set of these, but mostly DIY. You got the Quinn 8-inch pistol grip long nose pliers. These are like crooked to one side. $8.99. You got contour scraper with 6 blades, $6.99. Does come with those different types of blades. You got Quinn stainless steel taping knife, or tapping knife, my bad. 12-inch. It's $6.99. You got a 12-inch blue steel tapping knife. $6.99. You got a blue steel. So are this the same? No, this is 12 inches. This is 10 inches. And then you got some more over here, stainless steel tapping knife, 10 inches, 8 inches, 6 inches. Got a Hercules 6.5 metal cutoff wheel, $279. You got a 7-inch, $299. You got a ceramic magnetic assortment, 16-piece, $239. You got a flashlight here, lithium 220 lumen cordless pivoting LED work light, only $19.99. You got a Hercules 350 capacity breaker bar hammer cart. Yeah, these things are heavy, so you need a cart for that. So $79.99. You got a Icon Professional universal joint socket adapter 3-piece, $19.99. You got the Icon Metrical Professional stubby head ratcheting combination right set 10-piece, $139. You got the, what is this, a flex head combination right set 7-piece. Yeah, these are both. This is metric and this is SAE. I don't know why they have different prices though. That's weird. Oh yeah, this one's 10 piece and this one's 7. So you got the Quinn 6-inch digital caliper, $59.99 or $49.99. You got the Bauer 16 feet tile flooring laser level, $29.99. You got the Bauer laser level glasses Target, $9.99. You got the Pittsburgh Swedish pattern pipe wrench, $8.99. You got the Badland winch damper. Yeah, the Badland makes some nice winches. $24.99. Got the Merlin half-inch NPT filter with regulator, $69.99. You got the 3/8 intermediate air filter, $29.99. You got a 3/8 NPT desiccant dryer and filter, $69.99. You got the 1/4-inch mini filter, $14.99, and you get the 6.5 with 24 tooth framing circular saw blade, $649. You got the Hercules 7-inch cutoff wheel, $299. You got the 750 lumen portable work light, rotating handle stand, $17.99. Somehow this looks like the older one that I have. I think this is, might be rechargeable, so I think it looks like the old one that I have. Might be a new model. Got the Armstrong magnetic vent phone mount, magnetic air vent phone mount for the car, $9.99. Let's see what else we got. We got an airbrush compressor combo kit, $119. 4.5 40 grit type 27 flap disc, $649. Got a 7-inch metal cutoff wheels, pack of 5, $6.99. Yeah, these were already went over. But yeah, there's a lot of new stuff going on. Especially with these wrenches and, you know, the flashlight, the cutoff wheels here. A lot of smaller stuff, these levels here. So definitely check it out. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.